Don't forget the pa! High five, high five! Okay. Squat, squat. Squat and scoop. Squat and scoop. Okay, team Blue! Yay! Hoy, pag-albitin nyo naman yung mga bata. Hey! Okay. Ay, move back. Ayan ha, fair tayo ha, fair. Move back pa. Okay, wait for me. One, don't die. No, cannot. Timer, start. Hawakan mo muna, baka nang hawit mo. Na, go. Go, Francine. Go, Francine.
Slow and steady.
Yeah.
Slow and steady, sweetie. Slow and steady.
High five. It's okay. Okay, slowly. High five. Oh, slowly. Kakay mo ba ka? Kakay mo ba ka? Okay. Mawa ka sa mata. Okay, wait. Ready? Team 2 yan, team 2. Go! Ay, pagalunin niyo naman yung team 2. Pagalan niyo naman. Later, I will decide. I will be the... You decide. I will decide who I will win. I will decide. Not according to time. Yeah, okay. I will be fair.
According to weight.
Fair. According to weight. Okay. Ako lang. You want to eat na ba o later? Eat. Ah, you want to eat na?
Yeah.
Okay. Later. You want one more games or later?
Yeah.
One more games. One more games. One more game or later?
One more game.
Kasi mamaya kasi mahirap na. Later.
Why mahirap?
Because it's mahirap. Yeah, it's because you're full and you cannot think. Why it's hard? It's hard to think. It's hard to think when you're hungry and angry, right? Hungry and angry. That is angry bird. No, yeah. Wait. I think we need to.
What?
Huh? No, the kids.
The kids for the kids.
Yeah, I have a game for the kids.
We have.
Oh, where are the kids?
Let's go, Jan.
Let's go.
I want kids.
Video kanina pa.
Yes.
Kanina pa video yan.
Give me that one.
Simula ng laro.
Later you will use this one. Okay, if you want to use later. Okay, you want that, ha? Okay. Isa naman ako. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apat. 4, 6. Okay, so we call this one stop dance. Dance already. No, sorry, it's not stop dance. Trip to Jerusalem. Oh, stop dance. Don't need the trip to Jerusalem.
Yung bangko.
Yung blue.
May.
Because of the small world.
Stop dance and then stop.
Stop dance. Okay, stop dance.
And then we do it
Because that is small children, okay?
Okay.
Small children and big children.
Then free.
Okay, this we call this as stop dance. While the song is playing, you will dance. Then, when the song stops, then you stop also.
Everybody
Don't stop. You will freeze. Okay? If I caught somebody, if the song is not already, then you are still dancing, then you will be out of the game.
I thought you called the MPA
If the song stops, you must freeze. Okay? Sample. Like if you like that. Okay? You understand now? Again. Okay, I will dance with the song. Okay, once the song stops, when the music stops, then you will stop also. You stop dancing also. No, I'm not. I'm just an MC. I'm not included. This one is for
Exception to the rules.
Yeah, I'm exception.
You want her
You
to
want me
join
to?
you as
You
well?
want me to join you as well?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
join.
Dance. Everybody dance.
Everybody dance! Everybody dance! Balik man!
Diyan ako sa likod. Walang para walang.
Oy, oy.
I'm the winner! Yay! Wait,
Curly.
Okay. Wow!